This spinach soup is a wholesome, comforting dish that's as nourishing as it is flavorful. The broth is savory and deeply seasoned, making it perfect to enjoy with a side of rice. What makes this soup truly special are the tender pork and shrimp meatballs that melt into the soup, adding richness without being heavy. The fresh spinach balances everything out, bringing a gentle earthiness that ties the dish together. It's hearty, healthy, and full of soul, exactly the kind of soup that warms you from the inside out. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 0.5 teaspoons baking powder, 0.5 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Add ground pork to blender, plus a half onion, 10 to 20 shrimps, and the wet seasoning mix that we just prepared. Then mix until smooth. Add 1 egg for extra bounce. Add chopped green onions to the mix. Add a pinch of green onions to pot along with a tablespoon of oil. Then pour in 1 to 2 cups of water, or the amount you prefer. In a small bowl, prepare your seasoning for the soup. Mix 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 0.5 teaspoons fish sauce, 0.5 teaspoons MSG, and 0.5 teaspoons black pepper. Add several scoops of the mixed meat once the water is fully boiled. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the meat to cook. Add a handful of your spinach once the meat is cooked. Add your prepared seasoning mix, taste and adjust the flavor to your liking, and you are done. I enjoy my spinach soup by itself or with a scoop of steamed rice on top. In this recipe you can skip the green onions, MSG, and even the fish sauce by replacing it with salt instead. Let me know which ingredient you decided to skip and how the soup turns out in the comment below. I am new in creating these YouTube videos. Subscribe, share, like, and comments will truly support the growth of my channel. Until next time, please enjoy life in peace.